is the world around us. We all human beings depend on the nature every time. Many people admire the beauty of nature and even write many poems and novels on it because nature cannot be expressed in a single word. A history of aloe vera, from the Arabian desert to the cream you use on your hands.
I wonder what this plant is.
The evolutionary history of the aloe vera is poorly understood. Aloe vera itself is particularly mysterious. It has been transplanted so widely across the globe for commercial reasons that the location of its ancestral home is a matter of some debate. Sudan or the Arabian Peninsula have been suggested based on similarities to aloe species native to these regions, but locations much further afield have also been put forward, such as the Canary Islands. Aloe vera, being a medicinal plant, has a number of uses. Some of them are further mentioned. The aloe plant is very water dense, so it's an ideal way to prevent or treat dehydration. Aloe vera contains several enzymes to keep your digestion running smoothly. Aloe vera is used in gels and creams.
So, on this Vanmahotsav 2020, let's take a pledge to not cut trees and save life. So let's say, save trees, save life. Thank you.